Hi, my name is Fabio, and today I will present the final project. Introduction to the life of Galileo. Galileo was born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy. He was the oldest son of Vincenzo Galilei, who was a musician who benefited from the theory and practice of music and performed some experiments with Galileo. Galileo was a philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician, and contributed a lot to the sciences of motion, astronomy, the strength of materials, and also to the development of the scientific method. Galileo attended Vallombrosa, a school near Florence, and in 1581 he matriculated at the University of Pisa. He studied medicine in Pisa, but he fell in love with mathematics, so he decided to take that path. He taught Aristotelian philosophy and mathematics. Galileo found some theorems about the center of gravity that gave him recognition from other mathematicians and gave him a patronage of Guidobaldo. Galileo continued to do his research on motion, and by 1609 he said that the distance fallen by a body is proportional to the square of the elapsed time. Finally, Galileo passed away on January 8, 1642, in Arcetri, a city near Florence. The phenomenon. On January 7, 1610, Galileo Galilei, using a homemade telescope, discovered 4 moons orbiting the planet Jupiter. At first, he thought he was looking at a group of stars, but then he realized that the objects were moving in a regular pattern. The objects were moving in a wrong direction based on the nature of time. Weeks passed and determined that he was looking at objects orbiting around Jupiter. With this discovery of Galileo, there was enough evidence provided to be used in the Copernican understanding of the universe, to understand that not everything in the universe moves around the planet Earth. Now, the biggest satellites that orbit Jupiter that were discovered by Galileo are named Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These are named honoring Galileo's discovery. In conclusion, Galileo Galilei was a great astronomer, physicist, and engineer. He influenced the sciences for decades and also influenced the church to defend what he discovered. The development of the telescope also led to developments in astronomy. Later on, Newton expanded Galileo's knowledge and made more theories with what Galileo discovered.